You are standing in front of your open refrigerator, staring at a small bottle of capsules tucked between the mustard and the eggs, wondering if this is really the secret to fixing your energy levels. It feels a bit ridiculous to keep your vitamins in the cold storage, but that is the reality of the Pendulum Metabolic Daily lifestyle. This probiotic isn't like the ones you find on a shelf at the grocery store. It contains live, sensitive organisms that need a very specific environment to survive. The big name everyone is whispering about is a rare bacterial strain called Akkermansia. For years, this specific bacteria was the holy grail of health research. It was hard to produce and even harder to keep alive in a supplement form. Now, it is the centerpiece of a massive marketing push. The promise is tempting. They tell you it will strengthen your gut lining. They say it will balance your blood sugar and kickstart a sluggish metabolism. In a world where we are all exhausted and looking for an edge, that sounds like a dream come true. But we need to peel back the layers of the hype. Is this a legitimate medical breakthrough, or just a very clever way to sell expensive bacteria? Let's look at the facts first. This is not a fake product. The science behind these strains is actually quite solid. Probiotics do play a massive role in how we process food and how we feel throughout the day. If your gut microbiome is out of balance, everything else suffers. You feel bloated. Your energy disappears. Your weight might start creeping up for no apparent reason. So, adding a high-quality probiotic like this one could theoretically help. But the way it is marketed as a powerful metabolism booster is where things get a little bit shaky. It is not a weight loss pill in the traditional sense. It won't magically burn off calories while you sit on the couch. It is a support system. For some people, that support is exactly what they need to see a change. For others, it is an expensive bottle of nothing. The results are incredibly inconsistent. You might spend a significant amount of money and realize your body doesn't react to these specific strains at all. Every person has a unique internal ecosystem. What works for one person might be a total waste for another. Then you have to consider the price tag. This is one of the most expensive probiotics on the market right now. You're paying a premium for that rare strain. You are also paying for the fancy branding and the heavy advertising. When you compare it to other high-quality probiotics that don't require refrigeration, the value proposition starts to look a bit weak. Most people could see similar improvements in their digestion and energy by using a much cheaper shelf-stable option. There is also the inconvenience factor to consider. If you are someone who travels a lot or has a chaotic schedule, remembering to keep your pills chilled is a constant chore. It adds a level of friction to your daily routine that might not be worth the effort. In the end, this product is a bit of a mixed bag. It is a real, science-backed supplement that could provide some benefits for gut health and blood sugar management. However, the claims about it being a revolutionary metabolism booster are definitely exaggerated. It is a tool, not a miracle. If you have the extra cash and you really want to experiment with the latest in gut science, it might be worth a try. But for the average person looking to feel a little bit better, there are much more affordable and convenient ways to get your gut back on track. It is just one option in a very crowded market. For many of us, it might just be an unnecessary luxury that doesn't live up to the massive price tag.